Welcome to Right Choose.
Top 7 Best Sony 4K Camcorder in 2024.
Top 1.
Sony FDR-AX53 4K Ultra HD Handycam Camcorder. Drax 53/B plus 64GB memory card plus bag plus card reader plus flex tripod plus memory wallet plus cleaning. Bundle items include 1x Sony FDR-AX53 4K Ultra HD Handycam Camcorder, 1x SanDisk Secure, Digital 64GB Extreme Pro memory card, 1x soft bag, 1x memory card reader, 1x flexible tripod, 1x memory card wallet, 1x cleaning kit. The Sony FDR-AX53 is a palm-sized Handycam camcorder that combines a Zeiss 20x optical zoom lens and a high-sensitivity image sensor to produce crisp and high-quality UHD 4K video. The Exmor RCMO's image sensor supports UHD 4K video capture at 24 or 30 fps using Sony's XAVCS codec and features pixels that are approximately 1.6x larger than the previous model for enhanced performance in all conditions, particularly low-light scenarios. The camcorder also features Sony's Balance optical steady-shot image stabilization technology to help produce smooth and stable footage throughout the zoom range.
Top 2.
Sony Handycam FDR-AX100/B 4K 14.2MP video camera camcorder 3.5-inch LCD. Capture 4K/30p video that far exceeds HD resolution, high frame rate shooting at 120p. 1 Exmor RCMO sensor with direct pixel readout. 14MP resolution video and 20MP still image capture. 14MP resolution video and 20MP still image capture.
Top 3.
Sony FDR-AX43A UHD 4K Handycam Camcorder. 4K 116, 9 video optimized 1/2. 5 Exmor R low light CMO sensor. Built-in gimbal, balanced optical steady shot image stabilizer. 20x optical zoom and clear image zoom of 30x for 4K 1/40x for HD2. Fast intelligent AF tracks focus to captures decisive moments. 26/8mm 2 wide-angle Zeiss Vario T** zoom lens.
Top 4.
Sony FDR-AX43 UHD 4K Handycam Camc, Drax 43/B, plus 64GB memory card plus NP-FB70 battery plus filter kit plus wide-angle lens plus telephoto lens plus bag plus charger plus card reader plus HDMI cable plus more. Bundle includes 1x Sony FDR-AX43 UHD 4K Handycam Camcorder, 1x SanDisk Secure Digital 64GB Extreme Pro memory card, 1x NP-FB70 replacement battery, 1x 3-piece filter kit, 1x wide-angle lens, 1x telephoto lens, 1x soft bag, 1x external charger, 1x memory card reader, 1x micro HDMI cable, 1x 12-inch flexible tripod, 1x memory card wallet, 1x cleaning kit. Capture ultra-smooth video on the go with the FDR-AX43 UHD 4K Handycam from Sony. This compact camcorder features a built-in gimbal with balanced optical steady-shot image stabilization and a low-light Exmor RCMO's image sensor to produce crisp, high quality UHD 4K video or 16.6
Top 5.
Sony FDRAX 53/B 4K HD video recording camcorder. This certified refurbished product is tested and certified to look and work like new. The refurbishing process includes functionality testing, basic cleaning, inspection, and repackaging. The product ships with all relevant accessories, a minimum 90-day warranty, and may arrive in a generic box. Only select sellers who maintain a high-performance bar may offer certified refurbished products on Amazon.com. 4K XAVCS recording with 16.6 MP, XMR sensor, B.O.SS stabilization ZEISS lens, 26.8 mm, 20x.
Top 6.
Sony FDRAX43 UHD 4K Handycam camcorder, FDRAX 43/B, plus 64GB memory card plus 2x NP-FB70 battery plus filter kit plus wide-angle lens plus telephoto lens plus bag plus charger plus card reader plus LED light plus more. Bundle includes 1x Sony FDRAX43 UHD 4K Handycam camcorder, 1x SanDisk Secure Digital 64GB Extreme Pro memory card, 2x NP-FB70 replacement battery, 1x 3-piece filter kit, 1x wide-angle lens, 1x telephoto lens, 1x soft bag, 1x external charger, 1x memory card reader, 1x LED light, 1x micro HDMI cable, 1x 12-inch flexible tripod, 1x heavy-duty dual grip. Top 7. Sony FDRAX43 UHD 4K Handycam camcorder W/128GB memory card plus filters plus extra battery and more. Capture ultra-smooth video on the go with the FDRAX43 UHD 4K Handycam from Sony. This compact camcorder features a built-in gimbal with balanced optical steady shot image stabilization and a low-light XMR CMOS image sensor to produce crisp, high-quality UHD 4K video or 16.6 MP still photos. Record up to UHD 4K video at 24 or 30 fps using Sony's XAVCS codec at rates up to 100 MB/s or up to 50 MB/s 1080p HD video. Fast, intelligent autofocus tracks your subjects while keeping them sharp, and the Zeiss Vario Sunner T** zoom lens features a 20x optical/30x digital zoom in 4K and up to 250x digital zoom in HD.
Check out the description link for more information. Thanks for watching. Please like and share, don't forget to subscribe.